Using a Bits credit card involves several steps to make purchases and manage your finances effectively. Here's a guide on how to use a Bits credit card. Application. Apply for a Bits credit card through the bank's website, branch, or through other channels offered by the bank. Provide the necessary documentation and meet the eligibility criteria to get approved for the credit card. Activation. Once you receive your Bits credit card, you will need to activate it before use. This can usually be done online through the bank's website or mobile app, or by calling the bank's customer service hotline. Follow the provided instructions to activate your card securely. Make purchases. Use your Bits credit card to make purchases at physical stores, online retailers, or for other transactions where credit cards are accepted. Present your card to the merchant or enter the card details when making online purchases. Repayment. Pay your credit card bills on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can make payments through various channels such as online banking, mobile banking, auto debit, or by visiting the bank branch. Rewards and benefits. Take advantage of any rewards, cashback, or other benefits offered by your Bits credit card. Monitor your spending and manage your credit card account responsibly to maximize the benefits. Security. Keep your Bits credit card secure and protected from unauthorized use. Memorize your PIN, never share your card details with anyone, and report any lost or stolen cards to the bank immediately.